Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hi guys, how are you? I think you are all well by the grace of Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also well. Thanks. So, dear viewers, I am talking about phrase. I am talking about phrase. Dear viewers, do you know what is called phrase? Yeah? You don't know what is called phrase? Relax. I can explain, no problem from my side, okay? A phrase is a group of words. A phrase is a group of words that make some sense, but not a complete sense. It has neither a subject nor a fitted verb, okay? No problem once again, eh? Viewers, eh? A phrase is a group of words that making some sense, but not a complete sense. It has neither a subject nor a fitted verb. This is called phrase, okay? Okay, dear viewers, now I'm talking about some phrase. I'm talking about some phrase with up. I'm talking about some phrase that is with up. After up. Okay. Let's start. Climb up. আরোহণ করা। Climb up, আরোহণ করা। Bring up, লালন পালন করা। Close up, কাছাকাছি আসা। Close up, কাছাকাছি আসা। Back up, সাহায্য করা। Back up, সাহায্য করা। Look up, গণনা করা। Look up, গণনা করা। Push up, ধাক্কা দেওয়া। Push up, ধাক্কা দেওয়া। Grow up, বেড়ে ওঠা। Grow up, বেড়ে ওঠা। Step up, বাড়ানো বা বৃদ্ধি করা। Step up, বাড়ানো বা বৃদ্ধি করা। Pick up, কুড়িয়ে নেওয়া বা কুড়িয়ে পাওয়া। Pick up, কুড়িয়ে নেওয়া বা কুড়িয়ে পাওয়া। Make up, পূরণ করা, মিটমাট করা। Make up, পূরণ করা, মিটমাট করা। Make up, সাজসজ্জা করা। Make up, সাজসজ্জা করা। Thank you very much.